Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 11 time and money. Today we study profit and loss. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. In this chapter, money, time and money, this is the part of a money chapter, profit and loss. You know profit, we purchase a thing, any article, we purchase a article, then we sell, then any article, then we get a profit or loss. There are formulas here. First formula, how to find the profit, how to find the profit. Then profit is equal to SP, that SP minus CP, that is SP means selling price, CP means cost price. SP means, SP stands for, SP is selling price. Then CP is equal to cost price. Then P means profit. Then L means loss. Our first formula, profit is equal to SP minus CP, or SP is greater than CP. When SP means selling price is more than cost price, that is CP. Then our formula is, say the formula, profit is equal to SP minus CP, or SP is greater than CP. We get profit. When we get profit, SP selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit. Then second formula, loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP means cost price. CP minus SP is equal to loss. Then CP is greater than SP. When cost price is more than selling price, we get a loss. You understand these two formula? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is greater than CP. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP. Cost price is greater than selling price. Then SP is equal to selling price. CP is equal to cost price. P is equal to profit. Then L is equal to loss. Then third formula, CP is equal to SP minus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Then second formula, SP plus loss. There are two formula in cost price find. We find the cost price is equal to SP minus profit, then SP plus loss. Again, CP is equal to SP minus profit or SP plus loss. Then fourth formula is SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit or CP minus loss. There are four formulas we find in profit and loss or selling price or cost price. First, profit. How to find the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is greater than CP. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP or CP is greater than SP. Then CP, cost price. How to find the cost price? Cost price is equal to SP minus profit or SP plus loss. Then, yes, how to find the SP? SP is equal to CP plus profit or CP minus loss. SP is equal to selling price, CP is equal to cost price, P is equal to profit, L is equal to loss. You learn this formula, then again profit is equal to SP minus CP, then SP is greater than CP. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP, CP is greater than SP. Then CP is equal to SP minus profit or SP plus loss. Then SP is equal to CP plus profit or CP minus loss. These are the formulas. We find the profit or loss, or we find the selling price, or we find the cost price. Then how to identify this is a cost price, this is a selling price? Then cost price, how to identify cost price? Then in question, bought, purchase, buy. This bought, B-U-Y, buy. This is the, bought is the past tense of buy, or buy, bought, purchase. These three words come in question, that is cost price. Then CP, cost price. Then we add any overhead expenses. Overhead expenses means or repairing charge or rent. These are included in cost price. Then according to your question, over the bus fare, rent, overhead repairing charges, these are come in cost price. We add in cost price. Then this is the CP. Then SP, sell or sold. Sell ki past tense, sold. Then sold come in question or sell come in question, that is SP. Understand you? Then CP, how to find this? This is a CP, cost price, buy, bought, purchase. These come in question. You add the overhead expenses or repairing charges are also included in CP. Okay. SP, how to identify in SP? Sold, sell, these words come in question, that is your SP. Then how to operate these questions? Find the profit or loss. Find the profit or loss. Find the profit or loss. Then cost price rupees 500. Then selling price rupees 600. Look this, here cost price is 500, here selling price is 600. Which is more? Cost price means Karidav price, selling price means Bikav price. Then we purchase a article or things in 500 rupees, we sold it 600 rupees, that is selling price. Then how to find the profit or loss? Look here, cost price is small, selling price is greater. This is greater price, 600 is greater, then you get a profit. Again, cost price is 500, selling price is 600, you get a profit. Therefore, which formula you put? Profit. Profit is equal to, first you write CP is equal to rupees 500. Then SP is equal to rupees 600. Now you look, CP is greater than SP? No, SP is greater than CP. Therefore, we get a profit. Then profit is equal to SP minus CP. Which formula we put? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is rupees 600 minus rupees 500. Then you get rupees 100. This is our profit. Understand you? This is the solution. Then another question. Cost price rupees 1000, then selling price rupees 950. Look here, cost price 1000, selling price 950. You get profit or loss? Then first use solution. CP is equal to rupees 1000. Then SP is equal to rupees 950. Look here, which is more? CP is more, SP is more? CP is more. We get a loss. Then formula, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then rupees 1000 minus rupees 950. Then we get rupees 50. Okay. Then this is the we get loss. Now find the selling price. Find the selling price. SP find. Find the selling price. Our question, find the selling price. Then cost price rupees 2000, profit rupees 200. What we find? Selling price. Here cost price given, profit given. Which formula we put? Which formula? CP plus profit is equal to SP. This formula. Then SP is equal to SP is equal to CP plus profit. Which formula we put? SP is equal to CP plus profit. Why we put this formula? Therefore, profit is given in question. Then cost price also given, profit is given in question. Therefore, we put SP is equal to CP plus profit. Then rupees 2000 plus rupees 200. Then we get, you add these two number, rupees 2200. Understand you? Then another question. Cost price rupees 1500. Loss is rupees 100. Here question change. Cost price is 1500. Loss is rupees 100. Then what do you find? Selling price. SP is equal to CP minus loss. Which formula we put? CP minus loss. That is, loss is given in question. There are two formulas. Then CP plus profit is equal to SP. CP minus loss is equal to SP. Then rupees 1500 minus rupees 100. What is our answer? Rupees 1400. This is the SP. How find the SP? Understand you? Then next question. Find the cost price. Find the cost price. First, selling price rupees 3000. Profit rupees 500. Our question is find the cost price. Selling price rupees 3000, profit rupees 500. First, you solution. What do we find? Cost price. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Why we this formula put? Because profit is given in question. Again say CP is equal to SP minus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Then rupees 3000 minus rupees 500 is equal to rupees 2500. Understand this? Another question. Selling price is rupees 1000. Loss is rupees 150. Here, find the cost price. Selling price rupees 1000. Loss is rupees 150. We find which formula we put? Solution. CP is equal to SP plus loss. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Here rupees 1000 plus 150, rupees 150. Then the answer is rupees 1150. Understand you? The profit and loss. Understand? You first you learn the formulas, then you solve in book exercise. Okay? Thank you.